Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. So for this purpose, I tell you some steps. You simply need to follow all that steps. So the first step is that open Control Center, and here you have this hotspot option. You simply need to click on it and make sure your personal hotspot is turned on and check that airplane mode is turned off. Then the next step is that open Settings app on your mobile device. Then the second step is that hold on power button of your iPhone and volume up button. And make sure you hold these two buttons together. Then this page will pop up. Here at the top you have the option of slide to power off. You simply need to slide it on the right side. After doing this process, hope so your hotspot is working properly. If not, then the third step is go to settings, then in settings click on general, and in general you need to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. In this section, you have the option of reset at the bottom. You simply need to click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here what you need to do, click on reset all network settings. And then here enter the passcode of your mobile device. Then the fourth and the last step is that open settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down and click on general. In general, you have the option of software update. You simply need to tap on it. And make sure your iPhone is updated into new version. So this is how you can fix a hotspot not working properly on iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.